Great Christmas.
No, this is a
What is
calendar, a new calendar, because every year for your room.
Oh, a
For marking
calendar.
off for when we go to Disney World.
Tomorrow, Daddy has school?
No. Thanks, Santa.
Oh my goodness. That was such a good Christmas.
Oh, I have a few more presents for you guys. Okay, here we go.
Let's give these to Daddy to open.
Hold it for
I'm
you.
okay. You open it. Remember the bike. That's
And this is for both of you.
the bike.
Oh my gosh.
It's Daddy's gift.
Dad, I'm
Yeah.
stuck to the bike.
You stuck to it?
Uh-huh.
Oh, Mom. Her hair's stuck on it.
You gotta go cut it.
No.
How do you get stuck on stuff so easily? I don't.
Here.
Dad, I'm stuck to the bike.